Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to do lesson 6-9. Our game is called Disappearing Train. Since we're not at school, I don't have any cubes, so I'm going to use Legos today. So you're going to need Legos, a dice, number cards. If you don't have a dice, you can use number cards like this. And the number line that I made at home. You can play alone or with a partner. Our focus for today is I can roll a dice and subtract that number of cars from the train. I can say how many cars remain in the train. Ready? Let's play. Remember that we're going to use a dice with our subtraction symbol. That means take away. So I build my train with 20 cars. I'm going to roll my dice. Take away 1. I have 20 cars. I'm taking away 1. I have 19 left. I'm going to roll my dice again. Take away 3. I had 19 cars. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to say how many cars I have left. I have 16 cars left in my train. I'm going to roll my dice again. Wow, take away 3 again. I had 16. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. Now I have 13 cars left in my train. Wow, my train is getting smaller and smaller. I'm going to roll my dice once again. Again, I get 3. I have to take 3 more cars. So I have 13. I can even count backwards. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. So now I have 10 cars left in my train. I'm going to roll my dice once again. I got -2. I'm going to take 2 more. 1, 2. So now I have 8 cars left in my train. Now, boys and girls, you keep on playing until you have no more cars in your train. Best of luck. Hope you have as much fun as I did.